Okay. Now let's make some sound. Hello.
Hello.
Okay. Hey guys. All right, I'm gonna tell you how to mount your Helios 44-2 on your Nikon body. So I have a Nikon D750, the Helios 44-2. There's three ways. I'll show you. One is I have the Photo Diox Pro, which has a lens inside, and dirty lens, and it allows you to mount it directly and gives you infinity focus. The other way is just a little ring screw, an M32 screw with a Nikon mount, and it doesn't give you infinity focus. It gives about 5 feet or so. We're going to find out. Okay, we're going to photograph Meg here. The other way is the easy way, just freelancing. Just put it in the camera with nothing and see what we get. So let's start. Okay, so first I'm going to try the Photo Diox. So basically screw it on the back of your Helios. And then mount it to your Nikon. And of course, this is all manual focus. I'm going to be shooting it at f-stop 2.0, which gives us the swirly bokeh, which is what the Helios 44 is known for and what people are buying it for. So I have a reflector here for Meg, if you could sort of see it, because just to get some light onto her face. All right, so look at the reflector. There you go. All right, now I'm going to switch to, got a few shots. Turn my camera off, take this off. I'm going to switch to the, just this little mount, this eBay mount. This Photo Diox is about 25 bucks online. Adorama sells it. And then this little ring with just, threads and Nikon mount, it's like a $10 item on eBay. I've even seen it as low as, $2 to $4. I wouldn't buy one of those, but you can if you want. This one's metal, so it's going to be a little sturdier. Screw that on. The Nikon. Now this does not focus to infinity, so what I'm going to do is focus the lens to infinity, and then I'm going to move in and out toward Meg to get as close as I can, or actually as far as I can, and then that way it'll be a more flattering photo. All right, let's look at the pivot and look at this again. There we go. I'm going to switch it out. I'm going to do what's called freelancing. You basically take the lens and just put it in front of your camera. What's neat about freelancing is that you can pivot the lens a little bit and kind of bring the focal plane like off of Meg directly, so you can focus on her eyes and blur out her body, or vice versa, or kind of blur the tree out more and get more different effects when you do freelancing. So it's kind of neat. I'm going to back up because this will go to infinity if you just do freelancing. In fact, we'll just do a test. I'll go far, far away. I'll go like, you can't see me.
Run fast.
Let's run fast. This is far enough. Okay.
Sure.
See what we get. All right. A minute. Anything for the shot, right? Okay. Okay, as a comparison, I'm going to take a standard Nikon modern lens, 50mm f1.8, and shoot Meg with this also. So here we go. And it's autofocus. I'll set it to 1.8. So that way you'll get lots of bokeh. Of course, it won't be the swirly or bubble bokeh that the Helios gives, but that way you can compare kind of apples to apples kind of thing. Okay. Okay. Give me some kind of crazy arm poses. There you go. Yeah. All right. Maybe some kind of partially up. There you go. That's good. Yeah. Right. There you go. Okay, so there we go. Thanks for watching.